Hi and welcome to PilotStudio. In this video, I will show you some tools in Microsoft Word that you must be familiar with to make editing and make any kind of document less frustrating. Our templates are made using Office 2016. If you are using an older version, it's all good as everything is the same and in the same place. Maybe some icons and tabs look slightly different, and an OpenOffice version is coming soon as well. These tools are good for any document you need to create, not only to edit a PilotStudio template for a Pilot resume, in case you purchased one. And you will find a link to my online store in case you want to check out our templates. First of all, let's start from the page layout. Here at the top, you will find the Page Layout tab. It shows margins, spacing between lines, and so on. If you are writing a resume, I recommend you keep the margins small so you can optimize the space you use on the page. Let's click on Margins and select Narrow. This will make your margins 0.5 inches around the entire page. If you are writing a cover letter, I would just use the normal margins that leave 1 inch of margin around the page. Now the second useful tool is the grid line. Go on the View tab and select Grid Lines. It will show the area where you are working, and you can visualize the margins. I use it to precisely position the items on the page. I recommend keeping it off when you are writing, and then turn it on when you need to position something. At least personally, I find it annoying having it on while I'm editing. In case you purchased one of PilotStudio templates, you'll want to activate the comments as I put them in all resumes and cover letters to guide you while you are editing. You know if there are comments in a document because of this icon, and to activate them, go on the Review tab and click Show Comments. And don't worry, they won't show when you print. If when you print you go on File, Print Setting, and deselect Print Markup. Now to the actual editing. The best way to make dynamic and more complex documents easily and not stressful is using text boxes. Create text boxes and work with a more modular setup. At least if you are working on some complex document in shape like it could be a resume. If you are writing a straightforward document like an essay, I don't think is necessary. To insert a text box, go on the Insert tab and click Text Box. Usually, I use the simple text box, click on it, and it will be placed in the document. On the Layout option, select in front of text if you want to be free to move the content anywhere. The boxes in PilotStudio templates are all set to in front of text, by default. As a fill and outline, you can keep them while you edit as it makes it easier to see where the edges are and move it around. Then click it to add your text. This is a great solution if you need a dynamic document. If, for example, you want to put your name on one side and your address on the other, just make 2 text boxes, and it is easily done. Then you can adjust the size, dragging the edges. Position the text inside how you want. In this case, I will center it using the Align Text buttons in the Home tab. Click the box, and then select the Align Center button or press Ctrl-E, same thing on the other box. Now the real trick to position anything like a box or a picture accurately in the document. Select the grid lines from the View tab and put the boxes at the same level. The grid lines also give you a nice snap-on tool. Then always with the box selected, click on the Format tab on the right side. You'll see the Align button. Click it and select Align Right. It will align your box with the margin to the right. Then do the same to the left with the other box. Now let's make it one box. Click on the edge of one box, and then while holding Ctrl on the keyboard, select the other one. Then click the Format tab, then Group, and group them. Now they are one box, so they'll move together, but notice that you can still modify them independently. This is why I think this is the best way to create complex documents. Clicking on the main box, I can move everything together, but I can still select and move and modify the individual box. Always from the Format tab. Now, I can align the big box with the center of the document. Now to remove the background and outline fill, simply from the Format tab on Shape Fill select No Fill, and in Shape Outline select No Outline. With this technique, it's really simple to create the document you need. As general word tools that are good to know in the Insert tab, you'll find the buttons to insert pictures and shapes, and as a bonus, under the Symbol button, you'll find nice icons to add creativity to your document, like phones and letter to put close to your email address and phone number. These are my must-know tools to create any document easily. Let me know in the comments if this video has been useful to you and give it a like. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit a PilotStudio template or how to edit and use multiple text boxes in case you are working on your own document.